Okay, got another accounting website. Starting at the top right here, the video in the background keeps your attention. That's smart. 20 years of experience that builds trust. It's the authority principle. Down here is where I have a problem. Just too much text. Look at all this. It's just a nightmare. No one's going to read that. They could hide some of the text with some drop down menus, maybe if they're using this for SEO. But even if they're using it for SEO, they should also be using H2, H3 headers for some of these services. That would help. And same thing here, create some white space. That is just too much text all piled in together. But if the website's solely for SEO purposes, that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about just getting people to be interested and able to find what they need on this website. And I'll go down here to the bottom. They got some trust factors right here that helps you trust. They're certified in all these software programs and these organizations they're members of. That builds trust. That's smart, especially for professional service like accounting. Mistake is adding all these social media links. Nobody wants to see an accounting website on social media like Instagram or Twitter. In fact, I clicked over to their Twitter. Their last post was in 2018. So why in the world would you have somebody click off of your website to go see a Twitter page that you no longer update and haven't updated since 2018? I can see LinkedIn. That's okay. But the other three, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, has no purpose on an accounting website. Trust me. And we clicked over here to the About page. Just one quick thing about that. Their mission statement: create value every day through information, advice, and education. This website could be about math tutoring. It could be about medical information. It could be about life advice, a life coach. It could be about how to build swing sets with the best safety features. Create value is so meaningless. If I had nothing else to say in my mission statement, I would not even have a mission statement. It's too vague. It's meaningless. I would leave that off.